Hey there and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the right reporting inside Facebook Ads Manager so that you can really see the results for your ads, for your campaigns the way you want it to. So the most simple way of setting that up is just hitting up here. And if you're just starting out, all you want to see is what we call performance and clicks. Super important. So on performance and clicks, you're going to get the results, cost per result, you're going to get the amount that you spent, number of impressions, the CPM you're getting, how many link clicks did you have, cost per link click, and CTR link click through rate. Now remember guys, that we always want to evaluate everything that we've got. We want to evaluate it on what we calling the ad set level, for example. Okay, so remember we've got the campaign level, ad set level, and an ad level. So whatever new campaign you're running, let's say you go to the ad set level, and here on the ad set level, you're gonna have a look. What is my CTR link click through rate? How much am I paying cost per link click? And what is my CPM? So remember these three: CTR link click through, CPC link, and CPM. These three are the most important ones. So inside here, straight away, you can see that CTR link click through rate is on the lower side, and as a result, the cost here per link click is slightly higher than we ideally want it to, which of course will have a flow-on effect on your funnel. Unless your website converts really well, this can become a problem, right? That's why I want you guys always to first pay attention to CPM, CPC link, and CTR link click through. And now you're also gonna see the purchases here, purchases on a little bit to the right, and what we also called ROAS, or return on ad spend, in here. And you find this reporting super easily. You just come here and click performance and clicks, and it's going to essentially give you all of the information that you need and require to make the decision, right? Now, for those of you guys who are running multiple campaigns and you are already a little bit more familiar with Facebook Ads Manager, what you want to do is you also have the ability to create your own reporting in here. Like I've created, for example, here, these two reportings myself. And the way how you do that, you just click on customize columns. And essentially in here, you can move things around based on how you like to look at stuff, based on how you'd like to evaluate it. And all you do is you just go save as present and type this name, and you can say, preferred reporting or whatever that is, and you hit that apply button, and it will show you the reporting in the order. Essentially, will sort these columns in the order that you want it to. So for example, for me, I've got this funnel view set up that I quite like. And here in this funnel view, I see the reach, the frequency, the budgets, the amount spent, purchases, cost per purchase. I can also see, obviously, everything I need to know: CPM, how many links, CPC link, CTR, link click through. And then I also see what's actually happening on that website. I see the add to carts. I see how many initiated checkouts there were and how many results and return on ad spend that actually resulted to. Guys, this is how you set up the view. Make sure you evaluate it foremostly always on the ad set level before you go anywhere else. And make sure that no matter what quadrant you are in, I want you guys first to start looking at CPM, CPC, cost per link click, and CTR link click through rate. So guys, now it's up to you. Now it's up to you to evaluate your campaigns on the ad set level and have a look what's actually going on, what's working for you, what's not. So it's time for you to do the exercise, post it inside our Facebook community, take it with the right hashtag, and guys, let's go.